Fitness trampolines are a fun and effective way to get in shape. Designed to be low impact, these trampolines are perfect for people of all ages and fitness levels. There are many products available to choose fitness trampolines, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best fitness trampolines from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. BCN 450/550 LBS Foldable Mini Trampoline. Introducing the BCN Foldable Trampoline, a versatile fitness equipment that offers a fun and effective way to stay fit. This trampoline comes with a 4-level adjustable handlebar, allowing you to jump with confidence at your desired height. The high-quality bungees provide a smooth and quiet experience, ensuring a comfortable workout while protecting your knees and back. With a weight capacity of 450 pounds, this trampoline is built to last. Its unique foldable frame structure makes it portable and easy to store. Just 10 minutes of bouncing exercise on this trampoline can achieve the effect of whole-body slimming. Plus, BCN offers quick response and a 1-year warranty to ensure your satisfaction. Get the BCN foldable trampoline and make bouncing a part of your daily routine. Number 2. BCN 40/48 Foldable Mini Trampoline. The BCN 40-inch foldable mini trampoline is a portable fitness rebounder with adjustable foam handle that provides a powerful elastic recovery system for efficient and safe jumping. Its unique frame construct allows for easy storage anywhere, and the folding Oxford pad is waterproof, anti-scratch, and easy to clean. With just 10 minutes of bounce exercise, you can get the same benefits as 1 hour jogging, 30-minute cycling, or 20-minute swimming, making it an effortless and fun part of your life. Number 3. Zapapa Rebounder Trampoline. The Zapapa 45-inch Rebounder Mini Fitness Trampoline is a unique and durable indoor trampoline that provides 60% more space and added safety with the extended safety guard on the jumping mat. With a max load of 330 pounds, it promotes health, strength, and balance while stimulating your metabolism and boosting cardiovascular health. The foam-covered handrail is adjustable and removable, allowing for increased balance, flexibility, and coordination. The trampoline has a professional design and construction with anti-wear and anti-slip mesh surface and updated legs design that increase stability. Number 4. Stamina 36-inch Durable Rugged Steel Frame Folding Trampoline. The Stamina 36-inch Rebounder Exercise Trampoline is a heavy-duty, foldable, and portable indoor trampoline that provides a safe, stable, and fun way to tone your legs, abs, glutes, and back while burning calories and improving cardiovascular fitness. It features spring-free tension bands that provide a more quiet and supportive bounce, an elastic safety pad, and rubber-tipped legs for protection. The trampoline also comes with a Move app that offers smart guided coaching, exercise demo videos, personalized workouts, assembly videos, and more. Number 5. Wanatwafit 42-inch/45 Rebounder Trampoline. Wanatwafit Fitness Trampoline is a sturdy 42-inch mini trampoline designed for adults. The heavy-duty steel construction ensures durability for long-term use. With an excellent jumping system consisting of 32 polymer cord bungees, you can jump efficiently and safely, putting minimal stress on your joints. The quiet design reduces noise by 95% compared to spring trampolines, making it perfect for indoor workouts. The Sucker anti-slip leg pads prevent floor scratching and offer stability. This trampoline is a fun and effective way to increase movement and fitness levels.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.